Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update we'll be going through some recent changes we've made to the invoicing experience. Without further ado, let's see these features in action. First thing we want to do is click on that gear icon and select Accounts and Settings. We'll then want to click on Sales and scroll down to that online delivery option. So what you're going to see here is basically a new option to be able to choose between sending a short summary of the invoice in an email or showing the full details of the invoice in the email. Now I know up until recently we offered the short summary version, and historically we had offered the full detailed version. We had feedback from customers where some loved one, some loved the other, so we thought we'd just provide you with both options and you choose the option that best suits your business. To give you sort of an idea of what the two look like, here's a bit of a screenshot that I've set up earlier. You see here on the left we have the summarized version, and then on the right we have the detailed version. Naturally there's a link in both those emails to be able to basically view the full invoice in another web browser through using a PDF reader. So there we go. That's that feature there. Next thing we want to go through is a couple of the new features available in the custom form styles. So we're going to click that gear icon again and select custom form styles. Let's create a new style today, and let's create a new invoice. So what you're going to see here is first up, we actually are offering a new template style. This is the friendly version. Basically it is designed based on the original Airy Classic version, but we've updated it and refreshed it. A key benefit here is how it actually will appear when you print it off and then send it out to your customers, and how it will appear in that windowed envelope. We just updated the design to better reflect those letters. But yeah, check it out. I'm really happy to see that in product. Now I've saved the best for last. We actually have made some changes to the logo experience. Now in the past, we actually limited you only having one logo per QBO file. Now I know this was really frustrating for customers who perhaps had multiple logos for their business because they had multiple sort of businesses they were running under the one ABN. An example would be perhaps a tradesman would run a business like a plumbing as their main job, but they also have experience with Photoshop, so they do a bit of art design on the side. Now naturally, perhaps they want to use a different logo when sending out invoices for their work as a plumber than they would as a designer. You actually now have this option. To be able to do that, you click on that plus symbol, and you see here is you can actually click that plus symbol there to be able to upload another logo. But basically you just be able to select it and then choose here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the back and new one and click save. So here we have the logo there. You see that we actually updated the template to be able to have the green there to be able to reflect the green that's available in my QuickBooks logo here. So I'm just going to call this business 1. This is my first business. There we go. Now we click done. Now what you see here is I'm going to go create a new one. Click another invoice here. We're going to make logo edits. We click plus and we click small business game this time. Select this one. See straight away again the colors have been updated to reflect the logo, but we have that there. Let's call this business 2. Then we click done. Naturally, we obviously try to help you out by choosing colors that reflect your logo, but you can actually go into the color section and then either choose one of the predefined colors or grab that hex code from Google and plug that in to be able to give you your own unique color to reflect your brand. But we're going to click on done, and there we go. So now you see when we click the plus icon and click on invoice, when sending out invoices for your first business, simply click customize and select business 1. If you're sending out invoices from your second business, it's business 2. Obviously, as we said, you can have up to 10 logos. One question I know has been asked is like, hey, what if I uploaded a wrong logo or I've updated my logo? How do I remove it? I may need more. If you click that X symbol, you can actually delete that. Now, we don't restore it, so if you delete it, it's gone. So naturally, hopefully, you've saved a copy of that logo on your computer if you ever need it again in the future. But there we go. Now that's all we had for you today. If you have any feedback, please leave it down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.